Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, it is just like, I started, so there's like a couple different days in here. I started some cleaning videos and then life got in the way and I just couldn't finish them. And then I had like all these half videos done and I was like, well, I don't want to just throw them away. So I figured we may not see end results, but we can still be able to get a little bit of cleaning motivation out of them. So I hope you guys enjoy. I went ahead and started with some laundry because that needed to be done, and then I needed to go shopping, and I truly take the time today to kind of organize my pantry to see what we had, because I don't even know how many times I come home with something because we're out of it and then see that there's like 2 unopened of whatever it is sitting right there, and it's like, ugh, man. Bedroom, and I'm just hanging up all of our clothes, and well, I'm currently collecting all of the hangers that are just empty sitting in the closet so I can hang everything up and then put it away. I like doing that. All of my clothes are hung up. It just makes it easier as I don't have many and they are all the same color, which is black. And so having them be hung up just makes it easier to sort through them and find exactly what I'm looking for.
I need the strength to pull me up.
After kind of cleaning up lost socks and things on the floor, I felt like the urge to kind of organize. And in this video, it is like changing seasons, so it's going to summer, okay? That's how long I've had this. And so I went through and took all of my husband's work long sleeve shirts and moved them to the bottom rack, and then pulled up all the short sleeve shirts. That way they were right there in front of his face, and he can choose what he wants to wear easily. So on this day, I went and cleaned my shower, and there's just like, there just some soap in it, and like little tiny bits of, like where it's like darker. Some of it just didn't come off. That's just like what the grout looked like, or I had scrubbed and it was like falling apart. We don't own this house or anything, so I can't really do too much to ruin it or anything like that. But I just went through, and it's like you can see there's like just like a little bit of like little dark gross pieces in there. So I just went through with this little scrubber toothbrush thingy and just tried to scrub all that away and make our shower look super nice. After getting that shower cleaned, I came over to our vanity and cleaned it off. And I honestly don't know how it just accumulates so much crap, you guys. Like, I tried to just bring in what we need, and then it's like, every time I go to clean it, like, it's just everything and its brother is up there, and I don't know how. Oh well. But I just cleaned out the little brush, and then wiped down the counter. Then I wiped down the toilet and cleaned it out. the last room in this cleaning video. This was just, oh man. Alright, so cleaning the bathroom was on another day, and this was on the same day as the first couple clips that I showed you. And while I was cleaning the rest of the house, the kids came along and dumped out all their popcorn. So yay! I mean, they just really wanted me to clean a dirty house, so they got their wish, and I did it. Enjoyed this collection of cleaning videos. If you did, don't forget to subscribe and like, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!